Welcome to Gisme TV. Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa go visit the site for the Asaba flyover. My country people, if you see what then they build there.
One good thing about inspection of projects is that it gives you a first-hand knowledge of what is being done. You're able to ask questions from both the ministries and also the contractors. They're able to give you timelines and what they hope to achieve. With the explanations that we've gotten, a lot of work is already being done. Because we can see the drill works going on, but as the drill works are going on, they're also casting the beams already. We are told that they've casted 30 out of the 96 beams that they require.
Thank you very much for watching Gisme TV. Don't fail to like, share, and subscribe. And to our returning subscribers, we really appreciate every one of you. Now, Roslyn, the Nakuna the Tori. Thank you.